Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this social media post in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our social media post. Now we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a square. Now we will set the size of the square 1080 by 1080 pixels. So this is the size of our post. Now we will set the align. First we will click on specified point, then we will align horizontally and vertically. Now we will fill color in this square and we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will drag with the shift key and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will fill white color in this square. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will place circle on the top right like this. Now we'll select the circle and the square. Now we'll click on the option intersect. Now we will fill color in the intersect area and we will remove the circle. Now we'll make a copy by drag and right click of the shape and we will click on option mirror horizontally and vertically. Now we'll select the rectangle in the shape and we will set the align. First we will click on selected object. Now we'll set the align from the left and from the bottom. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will place the circle on the square and we will decrease the size. Now we will fill color in this circle and we will remove the outline. Now again we will select a rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a square. Now we will right click and we will click on convert to curves. Now we will select the shape tool and we will click on the line and we will click on convert to curve. Now we will drag the handles. We will make a shape like this. Now again I will adjust the shape and we will decrease the height of this shape. Now we will select the shape and we will select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar and we will apply on the shape. Now we will change the colors. You can see the color codes which I am using. Now we will remove the outline. Now we will select the 2-point line from the toolbar and we will draw a straight line. Now we will place this line on the shape. We will give a red color to the line. Now we'll select the shape tool. Now we'll click on the line and we will select the option convert to curve. Now we will adjust the line. We will make an edge with the line. We will match the corners with the shape tool. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a oval shape like this. Now we'll fill black color in this shape and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select the oval and we will go to effects menu. Now we'll select the blur option. Now we'll select the Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius of the Gaussian blur. Now we'll select the transparency tool from the toolbar and we will decrease the transparency. Now we will place the blur shape like this. To give a shadow effect. Now we will drag and right click and make a copy. Now again go to the effects menu and we will click on blur, then we will select Gaussian blur. Now we will decrease the size of radius. We will keep the radius around 12. Now I'll click on OK. Now we will right click and we will select convert to curves. Now I'll select the shape tool. Now we will match the side points with the shape. I'll select the pick tool and we will change the color. Now we will click on transparency and we will remove the transparency. Now again we will select the shape tool. Now we will zoom and we will set the corners. We will make a shadow effect. Now we'll go to the effects menu and we will click on blur, then Gaussian blur. Again we will decrease the size. Now we'll select and we will right click, then we will click on group. Now we'll place this shape on the square. Now we will zoom and we will place this shape like this and we will decrease the size. Now I'll make a copy by drag and right click. And we will decrease the height of this object. adjust the position with the arrow key. Now again make one more copy with the drag and right click, and we will place on the left side. Now we will select the ellipse tool and we will draw a small circle. I'll go to the edit menu and we will click on copy properties from. Now we'll tick on fill and we will click on OK. Now we will click with the arrow from where we want to copy the properties. Now we will remove the outline and we will decrease the size of the circle. Now I'll select the rectangle tool and we will draw a square. We will fill white color in this square. We will place this small circle on the rectangle. Now we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now we will press Ctrl R to make copies. Now we'll select all the circles and we will drag and right click to make copies. Now we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we'll select the ellipse tool and we will draw a circle. Now we will make a ball. Now we'll place the circle like this. Now we'll go to the effects menu and we will click on lens. Now I'll click on no lens effect. Now I'll select the fisheye. Now I'll click on frozen and we will select the ball. Now we will remove the outline. Now we'll decrease the size. We will hold the shift key and we will drag with the arrow. I'll place the ball like this. Now we will select all the small circles and we will fill white color in the circles, and we will now select the square. Now we'll go to the edit menu and we will click on copy properties from. Again we will click on fill and now we will click on the object from where we want to copy the properties. Now we'll select the ellipse tool and we will place on the rectangle. Now we'll click on lens option. Now again we will select the fisheye and we will click on frozen. Now we'll select the ball and we will remove the outline. Now we will delete this square. Now we will place this ball. Now we will select the rectangle tool and we will draw a small square. Now we will fill red color in the outline and we will increase the size of the outline. Now we'll select the pen tool from the toolbar and we will draw a L shape on the corner of the square. Now we will increase the size of the L shape. Now I'll make a copy by right click and drag. Now I'll click on mirror horizontally and vertically. Now I'll select the shape and the square and we will set the line from the right and from the top. first L shape and the square, and again we will set the align from the left and from the bottom. Now we will fill color in this square. Now we'll select all and we will click on group. Now I'll select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the text. Now we'll give a bold look to this text. Now we will select this text. Now we'll again go to the edit menu, click on copy properties from, and we will click on the object from where we want to copy the properties. Now we'll select all and right click and group. Now we'll place this on the square. Now we'll select all these objects and we will decrease the size. Now we'll place this on the post. We will adjust the positions. Now again we will select the text tool and we will set the font style. Now we will write the text. We will write exclusive. Here. Now again we will write the text. Now we will write collection. Now we'll click on copy properties from and we will tick on fill. Now we'll OK. Now we will click with the arrow from where we want to copy the properties. Now we will place the logo. So we don't have any logo, so we will make a very simple logo with the common shapes. So we will make this shape and we will fill the same color which gradient we have made. Now we will write the brand name. We are just making a logo, for example. We will select and right click, then group. Now we will reduce the size and we will place on the left corner. Now again we will select the rectangle tool and we will draw a small rectangle. Now we'll select the round corner option Now select the shape tool. Now we will round the corners. Now I'll go to the edit menu. Again we will give a same color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select the text tool and we will write shop now. I'll give a bold look to this text and we will give a white color. Now I'll set the line of the text. Now we will place the icons. We have these two icons. First we will change the color. Again we will give a same color. We will copy the properties. Now we'll select both and we will decrease the size. Here we will place a phone icon. Now we'll select the text tool and we will write the contact number. First we will select the font Arial. Now again we will give a same color to the text. We will copy the properties. Now we will place the web icon. Now we will write the website. Again we will give a same color. Now we will import the images. First we will decrease the size of the circle. Now we have these 3 bags images. We will select all and we will drag. Now we will place these images. First we will adjust the size. Now we will decrease the size of this wall according to the space. Now I'll select this bag and first we will click on mirror horizontally. will decrease the size. We will select the text and we will give a bold look to the contact number and the website. So guys, our social media post is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.